Alright guys, so today is the beginning of the demolition, right?
Alright guys,
So
so
when you're doing demolition, the first place you gotta start is the roof. You gotta get the whole roof together, demo the whole roof, then it make it easier for the side. So right now, I'm starting demoing, but I'm starting from the roof. So I'm gonna cut a hole out, and then I'm gonna start opening it. So I'm gonna just show you the beginning of the demo.
But let me give you an idea of what I'm doing. This is basically what I'm doing. So I do not want to damage the woodland. So what I'm
trying to make a hole because I need to see. You gotta do this smart, okay? You gotta do this very smart.
I'm demoing,
so you don't want to fall in. Okay, so now we have a beam here and we have a beam here. Okay? These are good wood. So now if you're demoing, you could salvage a lot of the wood because these are old houses, but the time they used to use, in those days they used to use good wood. So these wood could last 100 years once they did not get wet. Okay? All right. Alright, so now we come over this side and we cut it as well. Alright, so you see what? Now we create a hole. Okay, so that's the ceiling down there. So I'm gonna create a hole and then I'm gonna go down inside, then I can start walking. All right, so this is just the beginning, so I'm gonna keep you guys posted from time to time. All right guys, so I cut out the hole and now it make it easier for me to take off the shingles and the wood. So right down in here, this is the ceiling. This is the ceiling down in here. So I able to stand. See, I'm on a plywood. I able to stand and walk from here. So right like that, the job become easy. So this is day one on demo in this house. Right now we on the roof. We're trying to get the whole roof done. Then we're gonna start on the side. So stay with us guys with this process. This is gonna be interesting. All right? I'm loving it. The sun is hot, but I'm loving it. Peace. All right guys, so this is the progress so far. Going through, you see these wood is almost 100 years old. And look at these wood, look, you can see they're still strong. So a lot of these wood, you can salvage them and use them back in other project. Because you know how wood is expensive these days. So trying to get rid of them, if you have the space, put up your wood then. But this is the progress so far, day one, going up here. All right? So I don't want to make the video too long showing you the process, but let me give you an idea of what I'm doing. This is basically what I'm doing, because I do not want to damage the wood then. So what I'm doing, I'm knocking it back down and I take out the wood, the nails. So while I'm demoing, I'm cleaning the wood at the same time. So once I put them down, I can also put them in a heap. Okay? I don't know how long this project gonna take, but if there's no rain, I think a week this project gonna be done. All right? Guys, so we're wrapping up now. We only worked for a couple of hours today, but I think we did an amazing job. So this is part 1. Please stay tuned for part 2. All right? Peace.